Welcome students. Today we'll learn about the partitive view of division. Now before we begin on GeoGrabba, I would like to show you a scenario. Let's say I bring in a cake and this cake has 8 equal slices. And let's say we have 4 students and I want each student to receive the same amount of cake. How do I figure this problem out? I can use partitive view of division. The first step I like to do is color code each student. Student 1 is orange, student 2 is yellow, student 3 is blue, and student 4 is purple. The next step is to color each slice of the pizza. So student 1 will receive this slice, student 2 will receive this slice, student 3 will receive this slice, student 4 will receive this slice, and we continue this until each piece of the cake is colored. And this is because the partitive view of division is also known as sharing, and each student must receive the same amount. Student 1 cannot receive 3 if student 2 does not receive 3. So here we can see student 1 received 2, student 2 received 2, student 3 received 2, and student 4 received 2. Now let's head over to GeoGrabba. We have a question, also a scenario. 4 pizzas are dividing among 3 people. How many pizzas does each person receive? Again, I like to start off by color coding each person. So we have this person as orange, this person as green, and this person will be blue. The next step is we have to cut the pizza into 3 because there are 3 people. Since there's 4 pizzas, that means, and not just one, there's 4, so we need to cut them into 3 slices. Now your lines aren't going to be pretty, just like how mine aren't, because we are using this on a computer and the mouse is very fidgety, so we just need to make sure when we write this on the paper that the slices are even, because they have to be equal slices. The next step is again to color each slice. So person orange will get that one, green will get this one, and blue will get this slice. And we will again continue this until each slice of the 4 pizzas are colored. Now the reason why I like to color code and why I like to cut the pizzas in thirds or how many people are there is because of the fact that visualization helps you comprehend the math. It helps you see what you are supposed to see. So we can see here that each person will receive 4 slices of the 4 pizzas. So they'll receive 1 slice of each 4. So orange, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I love about GeoGrabba, it shows you if you did your work correctly. See, they broke it in thirds just like we did of each pizza, and they color coded just like we did. So we can see that we are on the right track. Now, since we did this, we need to also do the expression. So that is how we write. So, since there's 4 pizzas divided among 3, we're going to do 4 divided among 3. Now, the question is how many pizzas. It's not how many slices, so we have to keep that in mind. So then we go 4. And since each person receives 1/3 of the pizza, we're going to do 4 multiplied by 1/3. And from our prior knowledge, we know how to multiply a whole by a fraction. So that would be 4/3. And we also know how to turn an improper fraction into a mixed number. So each person receives 1 whole pizza and 1/3 of a pizza. Now, I would like you to use GeoGrabba to study for your summative test at the end of the semester, at the end of the unit, and I would like also for you to do the formative assessment that is on Socratic. Next, we'll be able to check our expression. You hit expression, each receives 4 divided by 3, what we did over there, 4 times 1/3, what we just did over there, 4/3, and each person again will receive 1 out of 1/3. Now that's how you do the partitive review. I will send the link to the formative assessment on Socratic.